What should you post on Instagram as an author? We're gonna talk about it, specifically about Instagram Reels. It's your girl Suhaidi, and I'm a Latinx romance author, freelance writer, and OG blogger, blogging since 2006. Today we're going to talk about content creation for authors, specifically what you should post on Instagram, specifically how you should use Instagram Reels. Why Instagram Reels versus other types of content on Instagram? Because Instagram is pushing Instagram Reels at the forefront. Static posts are just not doing as well, so you have to use Instagram Reels. And these are the 4 different type of reels that you as an author can create to get some traction, some followers, and maybe even some hits to your author website. Number 1, create an Instagram reel sharing an excerpt of your book. One of the cool ways and creative ways to do this is by taking a video that aligns with the actual nature and feeling and emotion of your text. So for example, let's say you're writing a romance novel like I am, and in this text, in this excerpt that you're sharing, you are going to share a moment where one of the protagonists feels really upset, there's some angst, whatever it is, the emotion should be reflected in the video. So if someone's upset, maybe share a video of a woman crying or a woman trashing things if she's angry. And then you overlay the text, your excerpt. Bonus, add really cool music that again, just really gives a feel of what this moment is. It's not just about the visual, it's not just about the text, but it's about giving a feeling with your Instagram Reels, the feeling that the reader will actually get when they're reading your book. The second Instagram Reel that you can share as an author on Instagram is just sharing your publishing journey. Make sure it's inspirational, make sure it's motivating because people love that, and just be super authentic and be yourself. Instagram Reels can be 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and now it's up to 1 minute. So make sure that the content that you're sharing, since it's so concise, keeps the attention and that it's really something that's gonna get people to follow you and want to continue to learn about your journey and celebrate you as an author. The third tip for authors in terms of Instagram content creation, specifically Reels, is to actually pretend to be the character. How weird is that? If you're not an actor, you're like, I cannot do that. But play out, act out your actual story. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, you could always hire actors. I know you might have a budget, but maybe some friends are really artsy and they really want to help you. Or maybe you can find someone that is a new actor or an aspiring actor and wants to volunteer and put that in their, in their reel. For actors, whatever you do, just get really creative on how you can bring your characters to life. Because with Reels, you want to make sure that it engages and it captures the attention. And what's more attention grabbing than someone saying, I love you? And tip number 4, this one goes out to nonfiction authors specifically. You can use Instagram Reels as a way to share some of the tips and advice that you are sharing in your nonfiction book. It is a great way to get engagement, to grow your following, because you then become the expert of whatever topic that you've written about or you are writing about in your book. If you are not a nonfiction author, you can still share tips on how to write fiction, on how to create characters that shine, on how to add detail. Really, it's just about sharing your knowledge regardless of what genre that you write in. That's it for me, your girl Suhaidi, with these Instagram content creation tips for authors, specifically how to use Instagram Reels. If this resonated or was helpful in any way, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and in comments let me know what else you want to learn about regarding writing, publishing, blogging. I'm here for you. As a fellow writer, aspiring writer, I just want to help. So make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Till next time.